In this video, we show how to replace the PERC module in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the PERC card, we disconnect the data cables from the back plane and the PERC module. Disconnect the power cable, lift up on the blue plunger, and lift it out of the system. To install the PERC module, align and lower into the system, and slide the sled towards the left of the system, and reconnect the power cable. Then connect the data cables. Reconnect the last data cable to the back plane. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.